Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be taking a tour of Windows 10. Specifically, we'll be testing out the desktop assistant Cortana. We'll be having conversations with Cortana to see how much she can do or how limited she is. So, let's start off. Hey Cortana. Hey Cortana.
Sorry about that, I didn't hear anything.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, you are coming in loud and clear.
Good. Open Microsoft Edge. She got that, and she's opening Microsoft Edge.
Sure, opening Microsoft Edge.
She's opened Microsoft Edge. That's good. Cortana, go to Wikipedia. Go to Wikipedia. She got it. It just takes some time. I don't know why. Go to Wikipedia. And this time I could have typed Wikipedia in myself. It's quite slow. Go to Wikipedia, Cortana. Go to Wikipedia.
Sure, starting Wikipedia.
She's doing it. It's just not quick enough. It's a bit frustrating actually, if you ask me. And this time I could have opened at least 3 different web pages, if not more. But anyway, she's done it. She's opened Wikipedia. It's gonna come up in a minute. There it is. She opened Wikipedia on Bing. Which is fair. Even though it's quite slow, it took like 3 or 4 tries. So let's try another one. I need to know the weather for tomorrow. Hey Cortana. What's the weather forecast for London tomorrow? What's the weather forecast for London tomorrow?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
What's the weather forecast for London tomorrow?
The forecast for tomorrow in London shows light rain with a high of 15 degrees and a low of 12 degrees.
So, I'll be needing an umbrella tomorrow. Will I need an umbrella tomorrow?
It's hard to say for sure. The forecast for tomorrow shows partly sunny skies in Umbrella Island, with a high of 23 and a low of 9 degrees.
She's come up with Umbrella Island. Oh God. You're not that smart, Cortana. You're not that smart, Cortana.
Sorry about that, I didn't hear anything.
You're not very helpful. You are not very helpful.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that.
You are not very helpful.
I hear you're frustrated. I'll keep trying.
Thank you.
You bet.
So that's it, guys. This was talking with Cortana, conversations with Cortana. My honest review on this, if I have to give my thoughts on it, is Cortana is not really, she's not quite there yet. She can do some things like open some web pages, basic things, open your settings and stuff, but there's still a lot to be done. She's still very limited in what she can do. However, it's been fun doing this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.